thank you for tuning into this video. I discovered something about this Big Larry Nebo that I've owned for years, and it's been reliable, and I noticed recently the light was flashing, and so I thought, how are my batteries doing? So I pulled them out. They seemed fine. I just reordered them, but for the life of me, I could not get this cap to screw all the way back on. It would only advance like one thread and then stop, and I was stunned. But I'm going to demonstrate to you with a pick what you can do about this if you have such an issue. You see how there's only so many threads showing here? So there's a way you can remedy that. I'm only demonstrating with a pick for demonstration purposes, but this thing had apparently come loose on me. So what did I have to do is this. Rotate the part back in place. And as you can see, there are more threads in here. So I am finally able to put this back on, and it's flush right where it's supposed to be. So I just wanted to give you guys a hint about this tool if you end up having a problem with it. Thank you.